Hey guys, good morning. Today is day 3, the last day of our trip. We have just had our breakfast. We are planning to pack our stuff and leave in another hour. I'll just show you quickly where we stayed. You see that small cottage? That's exactly where we stayed. It's a very wonderful place and it's calm and quiet. If you really want to have some peace of mind without the trouble of checking WhatsApp, Facebook and all, this is the place for you. There's absolutely no network, no Wi-Fi whatsoever. Take a look at the place around. So what we'll do is we'll pack our stuff, get the bike ready. Before we start, I'll get back to you. Hope you have been enjoying the video series so far. Let me try doing justice in this video as well. See you soon. They'll say, yes, from the very bottom of our hearts, we admit. Yercaud is a beautiful place full of wonderful human beings. If you are from Bangalore and waiting to take off during weekends, this is a perfect place for you.
Same route are there? Straight up? Okay.
Navigating through the city was a pain though, with little to no signal mostly. After refueling, we saw this interesting thing, a sidecar attached to a Royal Enfield. I was curious and I read up on Google. It's a mobile barbecue grill idea by two brothers who are in their early 20s. BBQ Ride India is India's first food bike chain company. Kudos to such aspiring youngsters. With little time in hand, we decided to move on.
After 3 memorable days in the hills, we started our descent back to ground reality, literally. Wow, riding through the twisties is thrilling.
After we crossed the final hairpin bend, we breathed a sigh of disbelief that we must now face the unforgiving bullet-straight boring highway.
This was when our ever so unpredictable Google Maps sprung a surprise on us. It suggested an alternate route which would shave off 35 to 40 kilometers from the journey.
Little did we know what the actual surprise was.
சேலத்துலேருந்து வரவங்க பெங்களூர் போகணும்.